Ever pondered on the countless ways the online world can help you earn some extra cash? Today we delve into the 5 viable strategies that can turn your online hours into a revenue stream. Yes, you heard it right. It's time to transform your digital experience into a money-making venture. So kick back and let's unravel these potential gold mines. We start with our first method, freelance writing. With the world's increasing demand for digital content, your writing skills can be a real treasure chest. Start by signing up on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Create a compelling profile showcasing your writing prowess, and voila! You are ready to pitch for writing gigs. From blog posts and articles to scripts and ebooks, the opportunities are endless. As a beginner, you may earn around $20 per hour, but as you gain more experience and establish a solid reputation, your earnings can skyrocket to $100 per hour or even more. The second method we're exploring is online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or a skill, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Websites like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com are excellent platforms to start your online tutoring journey. Depending on your expertise, you can earn anywhere between $20 to $60 per hour. Next up is the world of affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services of a company and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Websites like Amazon and CJ Affiliate offer a wide range of products you can promote. The earnings here are not fixed and can vary greatly depending on the product and the commission rate. But with the right strategies, it can turn into a lucrative passive income source. Our fourth method is selling products online. Got a knack for creating unique handmade products or vintage items collecting dust? Websites like Etsy and eBay are your go-to platforms. Set up your online shop, list your products, and start selling. The potential earnings here wholly depend on your product's demand and pricing. Finally, we delve into the realm of online surveys. Companies are always on the lookout for consumer opinions, and they are willing to pay for it. Sign up on websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie, take surveys, and earn cash or gift cards. While the earnings may not be as high as the other methods, it's a good start, especially if you have some spare time on your hands. So there you have it, 5 remarkable ways to earn money online. From freelance writing and online tutoring to affiliate marketing, selling products online, and taking online surveys. Remember, the key is to start small, remain consistent, and gradually build your online income empire. The digital world is a treasure trove of opportunities waiting for you to explore. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start earning today.